Hello you guys, back with another video. Today I have my Mexican rice here. You see, with the little peppers and stuff in there. And I also have a bean and beef burrito bake that I made with all of this goodness and cheese in here. Look at all that cheese pool. Woo-wee. So that's what's for dinner. I have a little dollop of daisy. And I have my mild sauce. Yeah, I had to let this cool down a little bit because it was still piping hot. And I can't wait to eat it. And dip it in this here. Yeah, that's the taco sauce on here. It's really, really good. And that's it. Cheese, the olives, and everything, you guys. So this is what I'm having for today. Taco Tuesday for me, burrito and Mexican rice Tuesday. So I thank you guys for watching. And I love this recipe, and I love you guys. And it really sets off with that taco sauce. You can get any kind that you prefer. But for me, I like this one. That cheese pool. Lots of cheese. Woo. Alrighty, you guys. I'm going to finish digging in. And I thank you for watching. And bye-bye now.